morning everyone, welcome to Fuerteventura. Live right now, this is sunrise right now at 7 in the morning after a great birthday yesterday I had. Thank you to everyone that had wished me a happy birthday and all that. Had a great birthday, got very drunk last night with my mate. And now from today onward, I'm detoxing, I'm not drinking any more alcohol now. Having a break off alcohol. But what an epic sunrise it is right now from the hostel. Absolute epic. It's going to be high 30 degrees today again. Of course guys, remember to click that subscribe button and that little bell notification and click the thumbs up and you'll be notified every time I update new YouTube videos everyone. Catch you all later on.